Hi. We are going to talk about pedagogical perspective on the implementation process of digital technologies at the regionalized medical program at Umeå University in Sweden. And this is a very practical example from the medical program, and it's based on both field notes and observation, but mostly our own experiences. And my name is Johanna Olsson, and I work as a junior lecturer at the Department of Education. I have worked there since 2002, and I also work, today I work a lot with consultant assignments towards other institutions and universities, and I'm also the coordinator of our consultant assignments at the department.
My name is Anna Frohm, and I work as an educational technologist, and I have done that since 2002. With us today should a third person have been Fanny Pettersson, but she couldn't be here today. The Department of Education has about 115 employees. We have been doing a lot of distance education since the 90s. We've had full-time online courses since 2008, and we've been working with Moodle as our LMS since 2005.
And apart from working with the regionalized medical program, we are currently also helping the Sweden University to implement their new LMS, which is also going to be Moodle. And the regionalized medical program started in 2011. And it means that from the sixth semester at the medical program, students are placed at 4 study locations. Originally, they are all in Umeå for 5 semesters. And then 10 students are located in Sunderbyn, 10 in Östersund, 10 in Sundsvall, and the rest are still in Umeå. And then they study there for the rest of their program. And as you can see, these cities are quite far from each other, but they are all students at Umeå University. We have also marked out Falun, so you can see the distances that we are talking about. And in order to give all students an equal education, the implementation of technologies are quite crucial.
And when we first started working with the regionalization, our 2 main assignments were to adapt a web-based course platform to the regionalization, and it was also to implement new routines to record and send lectures. And here is your timeline where we're trying to show you what we've done. When we first met the teachers in semester 6, which is the first semester to be regionalized, they clearly expressed a big worry about technology. They were very worried. And mainly, they were worried about recording their lectures. So we started there. We helped them recording lectures, and we focused on the last 6 semesters of the program, and we implemented new routines to these semesters.
Mm-hmm. But as the time went by, we could slowly start to focus on the more pedagogical questions. As you can see, we're not quite there yet. It's still outside the frame, but we try to get there. And for instance, we noticed that every course had its own routines, and they worked quite independently from each other every semester and every course. It was not a program in that sense. So from in the beginning, we only worked with the regionalized semesters. We started to work with the whole program because this is the only medical program they have in Umeå now, and it's regionalized. So you have to work with the entire program. And this also made it possible to the shift to more pedagogical questions also consequently enabled a pedagogical overhaul of the entire program, where they looked at different questions that we will mention later. And a more general discussion also started where, for example, they started to talk about recorded educational material versus traditional education. It's like, okay, now we have all these recorded lectures that we have put on the platform. What are we going to do in the classroom? If not to stand here and lecture. So it has started a pedagogical discussion that wasn't there before. And we're now going to show you the platform briefly. And this is the entry site of the program. It says welcome to the medical program. And if you look up in the left corner where the doctor is, if you click there, you come to a page with general information about the program. And beneath that, there is a picture of a map. And if you click there, you will get more specific information about the regionalization and what that means if you're a student in Umeå. And then there's also a specific material that the university library has made so that the students at the different cities can take part of the university library in Umeå. And the other pictures here represent a semester, and we have tried to make it somehow reflect the content of that semester, but it was not easy to decide on these pictures. For example, the patient at semester 6 is apparently dead, but we think it looks nice.
A special thing with this platform is that every student and every personnel of the medical program can get into any course. They can go in and out as they want to and see any material they want to. But now I'm going to show you semester 6, and it's the first semester to be regionalized. And as you see here, we work with post-it notes to make it easier for the students and for the personnel to find information. As Johanna mentioned earlier, the courses differ a lot, but we try to keep these post-its the same throughout all the courses. And if you click teaching material, come here. And here you see all the subjects in semester 6. It's the recorded lectures, and if you click one of them, you come to another page where we gathered all the recorded material. And this is just one subject. You see all the subjects here. And we've only gotten to semester 9, I think. 8. Yeah. Still have 3 semesters to go. The moves are quite simple.
Hej, jeg hedder Umea og arbejder som gastroenterolog på Medicinklinikken Norrlands Universitet sjukhus, hvor jeg
Yeah, you see, it's very simple recording. Yeah, it's PowerPoint and they talk to it. And we try to keep the movies till about 15 minutes each.
And it's from teachers being very worried. They, on the first semester, recorded about 300 of these lectures on one semester. And it went quite quick. I mean, this has only been going on for about a year and a half, and it's shifted quite fast.
Mm-hmm. And if you click here, the teaching material and all movies, you can scroll down and watch any movie you want on the medical program in Umeå.
So, in order to summarize this, we can say that the implementation of digital technologies has created an active pedagogical dialogue at the medical program in Umeå, where aspects such as the need for alignment between goal, teaching, and explanation has become clear, and new teaching methods has been discussed. And these discussion usually takes place when the teacher comes to learn about the program that they use when they record lectures. Then they start talking about pedagogical questions, because they never meet from different semesters usually. So it's very interesting to have these seminars. And hopefully we think this gains the students' learning process, and also that it increases the quality of the medical program. And if you're about to regionalize in this way, because I think it becomes more and more common as well, because you, especially at the medical program, the need for more doctors are crucial at the same cost, or preferably at a lower cost. It's important to think of it not only as a technical challenge, but it's also an opportunity to evolve or think about the entire organization and make the education better, and not only think about it as now we have to use technology. But you probably know this already. But it's fun work, really. So thank you, and there's Fanny as well. She thanks you.